Greetings, fellow gardeners and plant enthusiasts. Today we embark on an exciting journey to discover the captivating Red Venus Flytrap, a unique and mysterious carnivorous plant with a fascinating history. Join us as we explore its origins, distinctive features, ideal growing conditions, companion planting tips, and the surprising uses of this extraordinary organism. The Red Venus Flytrap, also known as Dionaea muscipula, has a storied past that dates back to its native home in the boggy regions of North and South Carolina in the United States. Over time, this intriguing plant has gained various nicknames, including Red Dragon and Bloodthirsty Beauty. With its unique crimson hue and dramatic trap-shaped leaves adorned with trigger hairs, it's a true marvel of nature. These traps are designed to capture unsuspecting insects that trigger their sensitive hairs, leading to their fascinating carnivorous nature. Creating the perfect environment for your Red Venus Flytrap is essential. These extraordinary plants thrive in acidic, nutrient-poor soil and require full sun exposure to ensure their vibrant red coloration. Keep the soil consistently moist, using distilled water to prevent any minerals that might harm this delicate carnivore. While Red Venus Flytraps are best kept as standalone plants due to their specific needs, you can create a captivating carnivorous plant collection featuring other species like the Sarracenia pitcher plant or the exotic Nepenthes. Beyond its captivating appearance, the Red Venus Flytrap serves a crucial ecological role. In their natural habitat, they play a significant role in insect control, helping to balance local insect populations. As fascinating as they are, they should not be used as pest control indoors as they require specific conditions to thrive. Embrace its captivating history, unique beauty, and essential care tips to enjoy this mesmerizing carnivorous plant in your garden. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of gardening and farming. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations of the living organisms that grace our planet. Happy gardening to all.